Master Deputy John Frick, Linsay Gladhill, Judicial Division, Master Deputy Deidre Pepple, and Master Deputy James Sword of Washington County Sheriff's Office are each receiving the Hero Award in honor of their life-saving CPR response at the Circuit Court of Washington County, Maryland. On July 27, 2022, at approximately 10:54 a.m., the law clerk for Judge Pauler was working at his desk in the law clerk office of the Circuit Court of Washington County, Maryland. While at his desk, the law clerk heard noises leading him to believe someone was having difficulty breathing, so he stood up from his desk to determine what the noise was and where it was coming from. As he stood up, he observed the permanency planning liaison for the Circuit Court lying on her back on the floor in her office. The law clerk immediately ran to notify a deputy working at the doors of the courthouse. Master Deputy Deidre Pepple, Master Deputy John Frick, Master Deputy James Sword, and Linsay Gladhill, all employed with the Washington County Sheriff's Office, responded to investigate the medical emergency. Master Deputy Pepple and Gladhill began evaluating the subject's medical condition and found her to be unconscious with intermediate and shallow breathing and a faint heart rate at best. Master Deputy Pepple alerted the Emergency Communications Center and then requested that the AED, Automated External Defibrillator, be delivered to their location. Moments later, the AED was on scene and Master Deputy Pepple prepared and attached it to the subject. A shock was delivered to the subject. Master Deputy Pepple began administering chest compressions while Gladhill began administering rescue breaths until EMTs arrived. Once the EMTs arrived, Master Deputy Frick and Master Deputy Sword worked together to remove the subject from her office. The EMTs requested Master Deputy Frick, Master Deputy Sword, and Gladhill take turns continuing to perform chest compressions while they prepared their emergency medical equipment. Meanwhile, Master Deputy Pepple attempted to obtain the subject's personal and medical information to provide to the EMTs and attempted to notify the subject's immediate family. The EMTs took over providing emergency medical care to the subject, and the deputies stood by to assist if needed. At approximately 11:16 a.m., the EMTs transported the subject to Meredith Medical Center. Prior to the EMTs removing the subject from the courthouse, she began to take a few deep breaths on her own. About an hour later, the EMTs stopped by the courthouse to advise that when they left Meredith Medical Center, the subject was awake and talking. Due to the quick actions of Master Deputy Pepple, Master Deputy Frick, Master Deputy Sword, and Linsay Gladhill, the subject is alive and recovering from this medical emergency. They should be proud of their immediate response and actions which led to the best possible outcome, life being restored.